Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. My name is Shreya and I make video on paintings. So guys, for today's video, before really starting up the video, I want to tell you that these paintings which I'm going to post for the upcoming 2 or 3 days, they all are recorded on one single day. So at that day only there was some technical glitch. That is why there are a few clips which are missing from the video, but I will definitely make a new video in which I will cover all the points which I have missed in these videos. So now without any delay, let's start. So for the theme today, I am using poster colors, like these are red and yellow poster colors, and the black one to make the tree and white one to make the moon and sun. So you will definitely get to know how I created the sun and moon. I have used the mix and blast technique to create the sun, which is like looking very gorgeous. If you want to see the complete result, you can follow me on my Instagram. I'll update that photograph on my Insta profile only, and because I was not able to record the complete video and some of the points are missing in this video, but then also I have clicked the picture and I have shown you all exactly how it is actually looking after the completion, after the quotation and everything. One more thing I want to clear with you all, like whenever you are using watercolor paper, I recommend using acrylic colors instead of poster colors. I will definitely post a video tomorrow where I'll be showing you all how acrylic color looks on the paper, and then you can compare this video with the acrylic one and you will get to know what is the main difference between acrylic and poster color and how these two are different. Poster colors still look gorgeous, but they show a very rough surface, and if we talk about acrylic ones, they look very smooth when they are painted and when the backgrounds are created with acrylic ones. So I prefer acrylic color more instead of poster color. That's my point of view. If you can work with poster one, that's great, and if you are comfortable with acrylic, that's also great. So I'm going to create these beautiful paintings, like the theme will be tree, light, night, and this is going to be the theme for this complete week. So I'm going to paint video with this particular theme only, and I've already created 2-3 pictures and I will upload them for the upcoming 2-3 days. So yeah, and update about my tripod, there's no tripod yet. I am still working with Jugaad, plus this video is recorded at night time, so if you feel that the lighting is not too good, so this is the maximum I could do with the lights, because I opened my tube light and the small Siska one, but that is the maximum I could help with, so I'm really sorry for that. So if you are liking my video, please subscribe to my channel. If you are looking forward for more such videos, just drop in the comment section and I will definitely make these. One more thing, like today is Sunday and I made mandala painting for today, and it was really great. This was my first time when I made mandala art and I'm really loving it. If you want to get to know, if you want a tutorial or something like that, you can definitely tell me on my WhatsApp, or if you know me, then you can definitely tell me on my WhatsApp or comment down below in the comment section, and I will definitely make a tutorial thing for mandala, because now I know the basics of how mandala art is actually created. So I will definitely show you all the picture that is actually uploaded in my Instagram profile again. So I'll drop the link in the description box. You can definitely click on the link and you can see how the mandala is looking. And till then guys, I will take off, and yeah, we'll meet tomorrow with a better quality of picture where no more clips are missed. So I'm really sorry for these clips and everything, and I will definitely see you all tomorrow. Till then, please take care. Bye.